With New Year's around the corner, I am making these beautiful, elegant earrings with some Swarovski crystals. This is what you will need. You will need an ear wire, a component with loops at the bottom, 3 types of jump rings, 2 sizes round, 1 oval, an 8mm bead, a 3mm bead, a star, and some head pins. Okay, so for starters, we are going to attach the centerpiece because that is actually the hardest thing to do on this earring. Other than that, this is fairly easy, and it's not hard other than it's just a little awkward because you need to get it through the loop at the top and the bottom. And this is where I kind of hold it, come around, and then I'm also going to go ahead and put the next jump ring on there before I close it. Oh, let me open it a little bit more. As I mentioned, this is the most difficult part of this earring. The rest of it's pretty simple. These are really elegant. You can use it for a gift, or you can just, if you're selling something for the holidays. There we go. So once that is attached, then I can go ahead and attach this. It's going to have a bit of a larger jump ring for it. If you've never opened a jump ring, please make sure to twist one plier away from you and one towards you so that you can keep the circle of the jump ring. And what I'm doing now is making sure that my chrome's going to be in the front of it. Okay, so that is the centerpiece of that earring. Now I'm going to go ahead and make the dangles that go at the bottom here. You need the head pin. I start with the star first. If I can find the hole. There we go. And then one of the smaller round beads. Then the larger one. And another small one. Okay, so once I have strung the beads onto the head pin, I am going to make a simple loop. You are going to first fold the head pin away from you. This one's a little stiffer than normal, so I'm going to go ahead and use my pliers to bend it. You want to get it as close as possible to that upper jump ring bead so that your loop can come around, okay? There we go. Then I'm going to take my round nose pliers and going to start to twist it back towards me. Okay, once it's done, take your chain nose pliers and straighten it out. Once that is done, you can go ahead and do the other two. Okay, so now that I have all 3 dangles ready to go, I just need to attach it to this component. Now this is a really neat component. This one here has 3 loops on it, but we have so many earring findings for you to shop for every style. I think we even have one that has 1 loop. Okay, so to attach it, we're just going to use the small jump ring here, making sure that you always twist away from you. One towards you, one away. And then take the dangle and let gravity help you. And go ahead and attach the component. And then close the same way you opened, or opposite what you opened. And you will do the rest for the other two, same thing. Okay, so now the last thing for this earring is to attach the ear wire, and then it will be complete. I let gravity be my friend. And then the other thing I will do is I will have the lever back open so that I can make sure I'm attaching it properly. I chose lever backs for this project. We have an extensive variety of ear wires if you don't care for lever backs. And then here is our completed project. I do hope that you guys have a safe and wonderful holiday season. Check out our earring playlist for more projects. Like and subscribe, and Happy New Year!